In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive theme. If you want OneDrive to feel a little more comfortable to use, changing the theme is a quick and simple customization. Whether you prefer a lighter look, a darker appearance, or you just want it to match your device settings, OneDrive gives you an easy way to adjust that. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open OneDrive and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see the top right corner of the window. That's where you'll find the settings area. Look for the gear icon in the upper right side and click on it. This icon is commonly used for preferences and settings, so if you've used other apps before, it should look familiar. Once you click the gear icon, a settings menu will appear. In that menu, find the current theme option. In many cases, this may already be set to the default system theme. This means OneDrive is currently following the theme settings of your computer or device instead of using a separate appearance of its own. Now click on the default system theme option to open the available theme choices. This is the step where you can decide how you want OneDrive to look. After selecting it, you'll be able to choose from the available options shown in the menu. Simply select the one you want to use. As soon as you make your selection, the theme should update right away or apply within a moment. If you choose a dark theme, the interface will switch to darker tones, which can be easier on the eyes in low light environments. If you choose a light theme, the display will appear brighter and more traditional. And if you keep the system default option, OneDrive will continue to automatically match your device settings, which is useful if your computer changes theme based on time of day or your personal preferences. That's all it takes to change the OneDrive theme. It's a small adjustment, but it can make the app more pleasant to use, especially if you spend a lot of time working with files and folders. If the menu looks slightly different on your version of OneDrive, the general process is still the same. Open the settings from the gear icon, open the theme setting, and select your preferred option. And that's how to change OneDrive theme.